What is noun? What is noun?
A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea.
And what about common and proper noun?
A common noun is a general name for a person, place, or thing. A proper noun is a specific name for a person, place, or thing. Let's identify the noun in the given sentences. Boy is eating banana. In this sentence, boy is a person and banana is a thing. She is holding pencils. In this sentence, girl is a person and pencil is a thing. Cat is on the table. In this sentence, cat is an animal and table is a thing. I am in the school. In this sentence, I is used for girl, girl is a person and school is a place.
What is pronoun? What is pronoun?
A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are the personal pronouns. Identify the pronouns in the given sentences. Aisha is going to school. In the last page, you read Aisha is going to school. Aisha is a girl, so we use she in the place of Aisha. Now the sentence becomes she is going to school. In this sentence, pronoun is she. Ali likes to sketch and draw. In the last page, you read Ali likes to sketch and draw. Ali is the name of boy, so we use he in the place of Ali. Now the sentence becomes he likes to sketch and draw. In this sentence, pronoun is he. Kids are playing. In the last page, you read kids are playing. Kids are noun, so we use they in the place of kids. Now the sentence becomes they are playing. In this sentence, pronoun is they.